All right, kind of blizzard of 2010. Wow, this is a lot of snow. I think we've had one car come down the street the entire day, and it looks like it was more than a car. But let's go get through all this snow. Oh, just to give you some idea. All right, I'll stand beside the snow. You can look down, and you can see the snow comes up to above my knee. So that's pretty bad. I've shoveled like 3 times today, and even with shoveling 3 times, I still can't keep up with it. I've got it. I guess if we get down here, maybe, I don't know if that give you a view or not, but that's it. That's the blizzard. Unbelievable. A winter wonderland.